Hey everyone, it's Chris and Fadal with Fadal & Company Real Estate in beautiful Apopka, Florida. We're here at our latest residence for sale, this one in the Rock Springs Ridge community, 3663 Lamont Court. Now this single family residence has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 2,300 square feet of living space, and most importantly, sits on over half-acre lot. Join me as we take a look around.